Well, I am rusty and I'm worn thin, but you're still my partner and my friend. And it's a long way to hell, but a longer way to heaven. So let's roll our dice and pray they never land. As you can see, life wears you out, and sometimes you can't bear it anymore. But when it's me and my companion, we can chug a bottle and start rambling. So let's cut our odds and head south of the border. In heaven